Hello and welcome to my channel, Teaching Young Minds Executive Function Coaching Skills. I'm Miss Natalie. I'm a special education teacher as well as ABA therapist. So you will ask, what are executive function skills? Simply put, they're a set of mental skills that help us plan, organize, and regulate our thoughts and behaviors. They're like superpowers. They help us navigate our day-to-day activities, learn new things, and even make new friends. So let's talk about some common challenges that young children face regarding executive function skills. One of the biggest hurdles is impulse control. When they just can't help themselves from grabbing that toy or throwing a tantrum when they don't get their way. Another challenge is task persistence. How many times have you seen a child start a puzzle or reading a book or building blocks and they give up a few minutes later to move on to something else? These are all signs that their executive function skills need a little bit of extra support. So that's when I come in. You can contact me directly. I teach one-on-one. We meet once a week or twice a week or 3 times a week. We discuss this. You can get a free consultation for 30 minutes. Please get in touch and your life will improve, the life of the parents and the life of children. Thank you for watching.